Sipho Mbuli no Rivaldo Kotsi. It's quality, age. Ga Sipho Mbuli, it's still okay. He's still 26, 27. With Rivaldo, you see with me, I'd go for Sipho Mbuli. I think Sipho Mbuli is one of the players which they worth the risk. We know which conduct yake sometimes bad. Master Chef Loyana, Master Chef and free for free. I mean, I'd take Sipho Mbuli. I don't know about Rivaldo Kotsi because of looking at the injury record. Like he's injury prone, and I don't think good phases you on which wanna rebuild, wanna give our coach all these players. I don't think it's enough for a mistake. It's a coach, a player, that's injury prone. In hindsight or on paper, it's quality.